Okay, part two of the FOBO 2 install. I don't know if it's me or what, but nothing seems to go easy with Priscilla. All right. The hardest, well, there was a couple of hard parts about this. One of the hard things was trying to put these little security nuts on. The back one I couldn't put on because the thread, it just wouldn't go on. And when I did get the thread to go on, it wouldn't go all the way down. And I have short little valve stems anyway. That could be the problem. So I left the back one off and the front one I put on. So it's on. The app is up and running. It's on. You need to give it all kinds of permissions. Yeah, see, there she is. Right there. See her? That's the front one. That's got the locking thing on. The rear one, you can see, yeah, you see down there, the rear one. So, I mean, oh, and well, here's the nut, right? It just wouldn't go on. And then when it did go on, it wouldn't go down all the way. And I don't know, some guys I saw online said that they gave you an extra set of batteries. Well, I didn't get an extra set of batteries with mine, so maybe they stopped doing that. But I got the keychain, and I got the new valve stems, which are nice, but I don't know if I'll ever use them. All right, so overall, I'm going to give it a B plus, to A minus, and if it works out well, the app is saying my tire is a little bit overinflated, just a little bit. So that's a concern. They're not underinflated. I would have thought they were going to be underinflated, just by a little. But yeah, you can see her down there. All right. Anyway, I'll leave you with that shot. It's a success, and B plus to A minus. Let me know if you had similar experiences with your FOBO 2, FOBO Bike 2 tire pressure management system. All right, so stay tuned, and there's going to be more to come as usual.